Alright, this is the Norco 604 bike check. Start off with
But it's your bike, say your name.
Oh, it's my bike. My bike, Andrew. It's my bike.
Yeah.
Got this bike after my Sunday got stolen, and also Jack's bike, the Gary Fisher, got stolen. We'll put up a bike check of his new bike.
Yep. Go on our channel. You can see the Sunday and the Gary Fisher that both got stolen. Well, these are our new bikes, so fuck you, thief. Okay.
Got this bike. It was a mess. Painted, 3 different colors, I think. So basically, we stripped it right down. Sandblasted it.
Heat treated. But it was.
Yeah. Anyways, we sandblasted it, primed it, and then we did a 2-part Ford engine blue paint, and then clear coated it. And that was for the frame.
Speak up.
Oh. And then we got some ridges and stuff for it. They're NS. Those forks are NS.
Rigids.
They're both front rear rims are what are they? S-types. They're S-types.
S-type rims.
We got the Kenda K-Rads on them.
Kenda K-Rad. Fresh tires. $60 tires, front and back.
How you doing? Good deal. We got the Clat seat, 1 piece, all plastic, and the pedals. They're Clat too. They're nice. KMC white chain. We got the Truvative crank set, and yeah, we got revolver hubs. Not sure about them yet, but they're holding up. And funny story about the headset and the bars and the stem.
Hold on. You take the camera.
We got the. I used to have a Arizonic headset, and what kind of bars? What kind of bars do we have on there?
You had Arizonic bars.
And headset?
And headset, yeah, I think.
Anyways, they were shit. Like, just terrible. So, Scabry asked to trade his Deity stem and Race Face Atlas bars and Deity grips and everything for mine. So obviously I said yes because, it's obviously a better deal. So did that, and he wanted them back as soon as I got them on mine, but it said no. So anyways, it's another story. The headset, actually we got it for free. We didn't steal it. The guys at Core gave it to us.
We told them that we were gonna go over there and
you probably watched this video, so I wouldn't say that.
Yeah, or whatever, fuck him. Chris ripped me off a couple times before. So, yeah, we told him that we were gonna go back and buy a wheel set off him. Didn't go back ever again. But
he wanted too much.
He wanted way too much. He wanted like $3 a spoke to get it spoked. Fuck that.
Yeah.
We got a CTI sticker on there. Put that on today. Pretty fresh. But yeah.
Nice bike.
Andrew's loving life.
Budget build.
How much did it cost to build this thing?
Like $300.
$300.
It's a $300 bike, really. That's all I have into it. And it's really nice.
It is really nice.
And the actually remember we polished the that seat clap. I don't know what that was, but we polished it. It's aluminum, so it looks pretty nice. But yeah, it's a good bike for 300 and change.
Yeah.
Budget build, and I like it.
Check out our channel, and as always, subscribe. And we're trying to get a YouTube partnership, so subscribe and help us make money. Yep.